Ansley Graham fun time. We're just out today shopping around, seeing what kind of fun things we can find. Thank you for joining us today. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go have some fun. Yay! We're a little sick today. What kind of fun are we having today? Come on, Graham. Ooh, look. See the pretty masks? Ooh, I like those. Yeah, you can see the toys. Yeah. Look, it's a dino. You like the dino? Yes, look, the basketball game.
Mama with baby ball.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy movie ball.
Yes.
Mommy one.
Ooh. What is that? Ooh, that's a cool laser pistol. Ooh, that's cool.
We play toys. Football.
A basketball game?
Mommy, more toys.
More toys.
Mama, back toys.
Mm-hmm, that's cool.
Toys.
Mm-hmm. That's fun.
Mommy,
What did you see, Ansley? Right. Choo-choo train. Is this Thomas, the choo-choo train? And all his friends? Yes, Sissy played with the choo-choo train too. You like that? It's a novel all the time. The kids love it so much. Look. Are you having fun? Ansley has a bunny rabbit.
Mommy,
Oh.
on,
Yes.
on.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, train side. Ooh. Mama, train side.
You having fun?
Mama, train side.
Is that a bunny? You love that. Oh, don't put that in your mouth, honey.
Mama, lunch. Mama, sit.
Yes. Okay, you guys, it's time to go get some lunch. We're off to our last stop, Walmart! Yay! We love Walmart, and Graham always gets the popcorn chicken. Alright, come along with us. Toys here at Walmart. And Graham wants to look at all of them. You see him? We have so much fun, but you know how it is when you're a stay-at-home mom and you just gotta get out of the house for a little while. He doesn't want to leave the toy aisle. We're on our way home, and it's the baby's nap time, thank goodness. Alright, see you there. Okay. Hey again, guys. I'm home now, and I just kind of wanted to show you what I got at Five Below and Walmart. So we'll start with Five Below. I love this store. It is so much fun, and everything is $5 or less. So we'll start with these. I got these for my kids, and we'll use these in another YouTube video later on down the road. But these are the Shopkins Season 5. Kids love these. And here's another one. These are fun. I think that Ansley will like these too. Okay. Another thing I got are these pillows. I just thought they were so cute. And they were $5 each. And they match the colors in my house really nicely. So there's that. And then these, they are so cute and so soft. I got a medium size, but they're pajama pants. They're navy blue with pink flowers on them. And they're just so soft. And I think they're going to be really comfortable. And these, again, were just $5. Okay. And then I got these nail polishes. One thing about me is that I love nail polish, I love sunglasses, and I love like lip colors and lip glosses. That's what I collect. So the first one is this Fresh Paint navy blue nail polish. Just so you can see. I love that. I can't wait to put this on my hands tonight. And then the other one, this is Fresh Paint as well, and it's in the color Splash of Crayon. The other one, by the way, was Anchors Away. But this is just so cute, and I think it's so cute for the fall. Alright. And then one more thing from there. I got these really cute aviators. Like I said, I love sunglasses. But I have a ton of aviators, but I just love these. And they were only, I think they were less than $5. So, can't beat it. Okay, so that's that for Five Below. And for Walmart, I just got a few simple things. The first thing I got was this OxyClean 2-in-1 stain fighter. I love OxyClean. I've been using it for years, and I just think it works really well. So there's that. And then I got these for Ansley because she needs some more warm footy pajamas because it's getting cold outside at night. And I just think that she looks so good in pink. So these are really cute. They've got little elephants on there. And this was a 2-for-1, so that was cool. I saw this in a magazine the other day. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. It's for your eyelashes, and it works with any kind of mascara. But it's supposed to make your eyelashes look more voluminous and long, and I just love the fake eyelash look. Although I'm still working on, I'm still practicing how to put on some fake eyelashes, so we'll start with this. So I like this. And then the last two things I got were just some of these Thomas & Friends minis, and I got 2 of these before. And Graham and Ansley just love these, and they're only $1 a piece, so I think they're really cool. Alright, so I think that that's it for today, but I just wanted to show you all what I got, and it was really fun. Alright, well I hope you all have a good day, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you liked, and please subscribe because we upload almost every day. Alright, well you take care. Bye.